So we're going to change the battery in a Fiat key. Start by pressing the button here and open up the key blade. Then you've got one little flathead screw here which just needs to turn about 1/4 of a turn anti-clockwise, like that, and then get the screwdriver and just put it in behind there and lift it up. And then you can get your finger in and just pull it out like that. Then you can see the batteries here. So pull it out, and as you can see, it's a 2032 battery. Okay. So once you've got your new 2032 battery, just slot it back in, just like that. And then from the back, you can see the little hook here. So from the back, put it in, and then push forwards. And then just to lock it in place, just turn that little screw 1/4 of a turn. That's it. And then once it's fully in and it's in that position, then it'll be locked in place. And then you've got your key already done.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.